Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Dolly and in today's video we all are in my kitchen, as you can see. Okay, so we are trying to make some mug cake recipes. So we all know that we are stuck at home and we have nothing to do as such. So we all know that we are so hungry and बहुत भूख लगती है and obviously chocolate की craving किसको नहीं होती है. So I have this quick and easy 2-minute mug cake recipe that you should try, and we are making a chocolate mug cake and a coffee mug cake. So let's go.